we born there we go
You suffer we say oh.
suffer. Me will suffer for Europe. I be one Chris. I don't go Australia go deport myself. Say now the Chris man deport me. Oh. I don't know. I don't know. Say I saw Europe. I don't know. Say I saw Europe. Be for not come. Mom, not deport me. I beg. I want to go my country.
Me, I bless now that one I want to do now because easy, but not be like a joke apart. This Europe, Europe, they frustrate person.
Yes, okay, man.
Europe, Europe is
Nigeria.
everything.
We ask Nigeria, well, now if you come Nigeria, not true they talk, if you really know yourself, bro, and before 2 years, you get money pass to
No,
you.
this boy for Nigeria, I get like almost 2 million plus on my account now. That one go reach. I be a fit down at start.
And now, which book you learn?
Hey, Baba, my, you know, Baba, I let Baba learn small wedding that time. You know, say that time, my wallet worried now.
Listen. You know me saying only that Baba you could do like me now Baba I fell left for Nigeria based on me I not come the suffer, me I not come the regret where I come Nigeria. I just fell open that Baby Saloon.
Yeah.
So that at all, even if not 10,000 I say get a day.
Yeah, you get that all like more. Yeah.
Yeah. If you give me a river, but if you river for we are package you carry at the fuel. Man, understand?
Well, you went one special. You really smart.
So not the reason okay, it good like this. A bad we work we are tinted to ban a town or 5K or 20K like the just the package until they go small. Oh, Harayo, but when the bag away to we suffer. Might understand.
Me they see now. Me they see. When you knew go that time to we mule Nigeria. Hey, ziggy. But now you don't. Well,
fast. Now they take care of myself. Not worry now. Picture. When I did Europe, I thank God all those pictures see my platform. Now my sister with them block now, and now you just pay me. But man, you see about buying. Now I take care of myself. Sometimes for Nigeria, I had bad 3 times. So I don't get time to take care of myself. For Europe, sometimes 1 weekend, sometimes 4 days, 3 days equal. I take care of Nigeria. I never spend 1 day. So I not bath.
I mean, like I do watch rest of man. You get rest of man.
Stress. And they forget say they don't break. I go forget. Before I remember, I never buy. Maybe 4 days don't knock.
Wolves. My brother, easy boy. They talk this. See, on the way they conversation, they say easy boy. The Saga Hero people. Now the truth is they talk. Most of them they go through that stress. When I see the
and who the Europe now we want to put say no what they go tell her. If you tell any Nigerian person say they want to go us, no thing they go tell her. They go tell her say that they call you for us. So now that they call you, I you where we wanna. That mentality, I don't know why they get and they will say they call her for us. Who they call her for us? May it die for Europe.
No matter those people with the dead like those people we say they'll go kill themselves for the because of frustration. Now single mother put frustration for your body before you know now you don't go at that track or motor brush you for road. That not be wasted human being. Not be learn for a frustration but frustration they keep us you.
Yes, bro. To jump better tree, how will they not deport me? Okay, I may jump like tree there. I tell you truth.
That boy was that
way. You know what you call the comment? I say if I go Austria, they don't deport me. I want commit suicide if I reach France.
I want be boy. So boy was done for being.
Now go yourself, they say they deport me.
Okay, because me, I did my name myself, but I did not. Man, I tell on wait to because joke past me, the stress, stress don't too much. I don't see
but Austria, so far the Austria, where if you want to deport yourself, you go many prison.
Did they go prison? Yeah.
No go Austria, go deport yourself, you regret time.
You
regret. You want to deport yourself, you go Switzerland or go Germany. Go down for Germany. You meet them. If you go Germany, see do what you do. If you want do, you go there like you want chop aduro. They'll put you for car. They put you for car. Finish. They tell you want to go us. You want to go your country. I mean, for giving money. Finish. You'll see yourself for Nigeria before 1 month.
Did they pay for if you want to go? Did they pay?
Yeah, but Austria fuck me up. Now 900 they give me. Not give better money. So far I reach us. That be the most important thing.
No, they say UK they pay 2,500 for to go us. You want to go 2,000 something.
I don't know.
Good
But
morning, brother.
thank God for waiting. I don't care for money when they give me. So far, I reach chance. Now you be my happiness.
Yeah, yeah. Always. No be that. They say
I reach chance.
now.
You know what in Europe? Not
Yare
mad
no.
the way they. Not the mad the way they talk say Europe. But they suffer there. They pretend. All of them they suffer. Then they
Me they
pretend say I see
me they
that.
tell you my whole story. So my whole story. Me not be like what you they talk every day. Out of six when
Bros,
you talk, three they affect me for you.
I
See,
can never enter Europe as I did. So only waiting will make me go say I want go do show. I'll come back. Say make me come stay for Europe. If you can't tell me say you want come stay, make I come stay for Europe. I feel go report you for police station. Say they threaten my life.
mm,
As I dey here so.
not
You
be
go tell me
that.
say Zimbabwe come back to Europe say you want. Bros, if you tell me that kind of thing, get where you talk and I go report you for police station. I say they threaten my life. You want kill me?
Bros, sorry, good morning. Like, depends of the country you are living in Europe, okay? Let's say it.
You
It
see
depends
Austria
of the
put me
country
for
you are
prison.
living in.
Austria put me for prison. Yes now. Austria put me for prison. They suffer me
Depends.
for prison. You understand? I go get one city where for corner for Austria. So I can't call police. You understand? I hear new pastors around and all this place. Like 4 stop to 5 stop there, you can come down. I don't forget the name of that city. You understand? No say things money for head. As I can't call police. I can meet you know say that a train station, we dey train station, get person wey dey gather better than security and they call they no know. Where they gat train station. The person, you know, say if you dey train station now, before train come, you got those people they wear one kind shirt.
Mm,
So now I meet for Austria. I can't call the man say, please, I need the police. Let me not say police, man. So the man say, what's happen? Why they find police? I say I want to go to camp. I'm new here in Austria. And now work, and I'll call the police. Yeah, my query. Now you but as it why I'm going to call the police. So the man have to wait police. You can 5 minutes in hurry. So 5 minutes time police can come. And they call me. Now I mean that they say I tell them say I want to go to camp. You understand? I know you tell them say
yeah.
I want to deport myself once so that
Okay.
may I
Let me see
forget
you tell them.
no see,
Okay.
see
Okay.
may
Okay.
I forget money. May I forget money for their hand. That's say I want to go to camp because my friend will give me the location. You say if I reach there, I'll tell them say I want to go camp. So if I reach that camp, I'll tell them that say me want to deport myself. So that mean they forgive me the money. But
Yeah.
if you tell police that say you want to deport yourself, if they feel not give you money, they'll do it for you like that. You understand?
Yeah.
So now you give them my passport. I say take my passport. I want to. They can't carry me this thing for there. Give like now one prison for there like that. I can't dey there. They can't check everything. So okay, I don't do bad. They can't still carry me come up for. They carry me go Salzburg. I bet I no come know. Then
Mm.
so now I come to say I beg since no one gree carry me go come. Wanna help me? I want to fit go my country back now. So understand? Because all your mu ade ba. When they cap mu ade.
Okay.
So now come my way. Any go here, me. Understand me? Me not do okay.
Okay.
So you have to go near IT me. No pa. Understand me? Now when near what me, you want to allow setting to suffer. Setting to suffer. Am I a party
Okay.
me? I the boy mu make my wife be mu are prison away. Yeah,
Mm.
what confirm me tell me that Australia prison oh. Not go if you know say you want go deport yourself, not go Australia, go suffer
Okay. They
you.
want to
You
yeah,
go
that can
get
you can check it. They will be done it before they leave you.
dịka wee mi dan iwe mi dan ya gwalọ ya atọ prison na wey
Okay.
ya amami mi dan di commit a crime ma commit a crime rọpa so police come see ask me why I wan deport myself go my country you understand they come see since I wan deport myself say they no go fit do am they wan call BBU people wey dey Australia know wetin be BBU they say they go call BBU for me so na BBU go fit deport me na be association be like association normal this thing
Yeah. And
so
when you
e dey paper wey dem give me here na BBU dey deport person for Austria na that day I
uh,
know wetin be BBU so I come
easy
meet them
boy,
dem come
rugged,
tell me
easy
say
boy, rugged though.
he say rugged so dem come ask me say wetin be dem come ask me say why I wan deport myself na say I no come I don tire for the country I no commit any crime so I say I dey na when I dey my country I dey live good life more than when I dey Europe so I want to go
Yeah.
back to my country I'm done with the Europe now I tell them say I don tire for Europe I no wan stay the Europe again na why I wan go back no be say I commit crime now dem say dem see am for system say I no do any bad so therefore advise me make I still stay the Euro
He
small
doesn't
why
make the
I
system small.
dem say make I stay
You
small make
might
I no go back Say may I not go back or may I go back to France for the con. Now I say no, I want you go my country. I don't tire. I don't want to commit suicide. As I not commit suicide, so she don't like her. So if I dey here, I feel commit suicide, I feel keep person or I feel keep myself. Now they say no, no, may I not do that one. So now they can't go bring another man come again for office. Now come still tell me say that one be want deceive me. He say if me want go Nigeria, they don't give me money na 50 euro they want give me. Oh. Now I say I no care, almost na 10 euro na give me. I go so far I reach my country. So after 1 week there, they can't call me again. They can't say so the paper, I say the paper, if I ready to really go my country, my sign. That's like people have this. I know you say one explain for me. I say leave and not explain. Now that's why they sign everything. Where one sign. So okay. So now they can't call me again. They say that 900 they go give me. Oh. So they'll buy my ticket for me and do this one. It's okay. I say no Wahala, I appreciate. They can't carry me come up for that prison. Go put me for another prison again. I can't spend almost 3 to 4 days for there. Understand? Then after I spend they can't carry me come up for that prison again. Can't carry me go south Vienna. I spent almost 3 weeks for that prison again. I be 2 weeks for that prison. Because they carry me go the day I want the day like now next tomorrow I want to deport myself now. When my flight say they can't carry me come up for here today. Hope lock me for that prison again. Wait near airport. Understand? So far, so if you want to deport yourself, not go Australia. If you go Australia, if you even kill yourself for prison.
Easy. No easy.
And because so far for prison for Australia, I can't regret and say why I can't even come here. You understand? Now why many things plus I thank God, I thank God. I can't be here and say thank God, I don't it remains small. Your phone, you know, will see phone. Now you go feed the call person, nobody will feel call you for inside that prison. You understand? Money will be there. If you want call person, now maybe they will say 1 week, I be 2 weeks, you fit take up person. You know, 50, you know, see anybody for
you know what? Why they will put person for prisoner?
Well, what me so go me ka we ka go Europe for now try me face was time no soon was try. If no soon baba if you Nigeria in the prison was try they pass 10 million. If I lie, anybody will say they Europe you don't die, they prison for Australia. Because anybody will they prison.
Easy, but why moment? You make me the fear. Now maybe one. No. The thing not easy.
If you want to deport yourself, you not go Austria, not try. If you try, you remember me. Understand? So anybody for Austria, you call you know, but you not go. You not say they prison. Understand? So I did there. My phone. I don't fit touch my phone. Before you touch your phone, you say go south Switzerland. Yes, then they pass Switzerland now before you reach Austria. So they collect my phone. Even when I come out for inside that prison, I be forget my password for phone. I test now, you know work. I test now, you know work. I can't leave my phone. You know, so even my phone can't be heavy for my hand because over how many I can never touch my phone. So when I relax my brain, I can't remember my password.
It's stressful, my brother. It's stressing. You can read them.
So they want to deport me around 4. Now I want to deport myself. My flight come day 4:05. Then my flight want to move. So they can't carry me for that prison for Salzburg. That's not Salzburg, that flight. And I don't really can't know it, I don't forget. They can't carry me go airport. They can't carry me around 1 o'clock. Understand? Inside that prison, and not be say you want your the lead like say you did this new. They will lock you for there. They'll come carry you around 12. You come and go take some like 1 hour, then lock you again for inside prison. You did there. You may want to go on bar whoever. Understand? I mean, not be food where they hungry you. Now food where they hungry that they want to give you, may you eat.
I know, go see a bit. Maybe God, suffer they suffer like this. Will make you go my like all this one you ought to so no water soon. Yes, just make it.
If we met a woman, I be a gap of we do. What's in ye a deck I mean any say you are many.
Yeah, I think that.
Ojo ya to we do ni. Here is the suffer body with prison. We do ya no. Otherwise I won't soap. We are gbegbe we setting continue. Otherwise we soap. Ma yewu e ko na so apoje. Ona yin ya we la wo ni get am ya we yan yin ya we soap mo ya de gbe increase the prison yen. Obe ti o ni te wa yin de life yen. Yeah, yeah, better you continue.
You
Now, yeah,
do,
you
you
know, the advice, now tell me, that good boy, I reason anything. I reason anything. Salo boy, you will have a boy now about the soaping, when you think be or a, you so what when it gets for prison, man. That's the advice I got, I appreciate me that guy see their life. That big boy, you understand? So,
Iye
no
ziba ni
focus
ana mo
on
ye prison abi yan deported gbe yen.
yeah, deported because on you come you visit bad in Nigeria and cake, but understand.
Okay, yan deported yan we ziba ne
Yeah,
Venezuela.
yẹn ziba ní Nigeria then yẹn deport yẹn máa ń yẹn ìyàwó so yẹn come take cry so yẹn bẹ bèrè nínú ẹwò yẹn náà control yẹn yẹn mú yẹn dé prison láti many story màmí
Nene
so
ga wa
and
won
àwọn yẹn àmú
problem
yẹn
on board den.
ìdígá àwọn yẹn àmú yẹn sí bàbá náà àwọn bọ́sì àgbìn yẹn
My
wá
brother,
wọ́n kẹ̀ káwé ìdámẹ́.
very sorry. Very sorry, okay, for your deportations and all that. You understand?
We shall be very sorry they
Ah,
deport
ore
yẹn
do my na tasin we ere mana, you know dey here.
ní mọ́tòrí náà do distract yẹn so
Na tasin
àwọn very
we o.
ọmọ náà deport gbé wá tàmí I very sorry yẹn máa deport yẹn ìmẹ̀ta mo wẹ́ ta deport yẹn.
Ola vai waje, ate nene ni wa ate fada we nene priest.
So Ivani, then Ivani Baba, you know the moment you support Baba, if you go with flat, it was it time on my use have a flat, it may want me you serve my brother. Understand?
Ile waro
You
nene
said
flat.
this like, and then mention Nigeria, you are to the Nigeria. A suffer ya fe, ni suffer we stress ya.
Eho no ma lawe gbe.
Bros, emi ya fe ni wa think we boya na wa disappear igbe mere.
A depression ke ya.
Que depression que me yeah na wa disappear. We are going me ya gwa me. E video me ya watch a video me ni ya gwa. Then we are get video ni ka obi re wepo. I me gwa 2020 na.
O ma toge my brother, ma toge. Okay, no. Say no be this is it what is the talk so eh?
If I me na e abi ba ni me original food ni me na me ava mo wa ti yo gbe. Me me re me na ava mo wa ti yo ayo fe.
Iwe we Europe wana. Europe wana 50 30 euro eh. Omo aya lo mo e. Every say 3 days my brother, me don't say this European I don't tire.
Obi gbọpa ni abi
Again we radio station more na. Eden again we radio station ni go total. More
well,
na.
take mute oh. If you come up, you feel mute. Must say talk this matter. Come up now. If you put out for video, but you're mute, put out a video. A deco,
I want to just
but you're mute, don't worry. Put out a video, but you're mute. Might put you for big screen. So a deco yanti guy no seme wa no, my work bawa we bono. You like a boy ni. My boy no wa gba to ta. How is the boy? Hey. I beg because you have it, but you have deport here. Because you know, I do not get phone a visa in you. Yes, I will. You might understand. Me say prison. I mean that is story of that dog at prison, but Australia, a prison bag mo ya. You cannot come take crack. No matter what.
It is a not vessel. That is when the boy tell you say people for prison for Australia. Italy on plenty pass. So if you see our boys and them
nah, me no dey suffer here.
they don't finish for real life. People in that prison let pass go their real life. Not be like
What way back here? Now top of back you dey.
That mute, it echo. So a deco ya deport here. You know what we don't like. But so wait almost 10 million naira ni yase wibu. You understand?
10 million.
Na ni ya di with visa. Ona je wibu. O you say we wait till 6 months or before months ye egbe wibu na. Ya return ye wibu. A guy ma come take cry. Oh, you know I can't remember bros. Why you want deport yourself go ask? Why you want come on bro? I want now what then you have a deck also Nigeria ne. I go no because you na mo are embassy ya wait TC ne. Understand me? Now you must embassy. If Nigeria, we are man Nigeria. You know be a suffer embassy. If you Nigeria must, if you want to deport yourself, you don't want me to suffer. I beg, fair go do passport. If you do passport, and nothing will suffer you, nothing will stress you. Understand? Because that boy now they suffer there for that prison. Now don't even they sick. Understand? So they say if they carry and go embassy for Austria embassy, then they come they tell they come they say not be Nigeria, say they never shall say be Nigeria, they want to do TC for. Just imagine. You see Nigeria as the wicked.
Okay, mama now passport.
easy boy. And now I made they beat me or maybe Sophie they look that side. I want to show you. So I now made they beat me this morning. Some they
They
look
not
there.
get passport.
They hang their
Sometimes
cloth for there. Oh.
they say, if you don't get passport, if you don't get passport, you suffer. If they not do TC for you, they don't fit deport you.
Yeah, they
Now
passport
make
you.
them
Yeah. If you
and
don't
now
get
make them
passport, never go
now I
deportation
make them
center. You
beat me.
suffer.
Oh,
Understand?
boy, we done is it there, eh?
He don't know they see what they show now.
What you be there?
Yeah, we dey see. If you see
Beat
me,
me,
we
wait.
go.
But
If you
Make
don't
I
get
show now
passport,
where. Make I go like this. I know make they beat me this morning.
yeah, who
Oh
dey
yeah.
Europe? Na more see who dey Europe?
Wanna
Na
look
see
and where? Oh,
here.
easy boy, camera. I know I made they beat me, camera. Jesus.
If they
They
see
want beat
people
me. They want beat me. Oh.
now they collect your phone.
I don't know.
You now see people
you want go
where
be
they
where
sleep
they
for
sit
Europe.
down, they sleep. You want go video? They know say they go run enter people they suffer.
No let them go rape you.
People they suffer. You want go video the where they sleep this morning? Why you this baby here?
Yeah,
I
see
don't
where
leave
they
it.
sleep.
I
My
don't leave them.
people,
They're not beat me.
my
Oh.
people, they Nigeria. Now see where they sleep for Europe. Now see them. But this kind of people now, if I say that they suffer, they'll come they insult me. And then una no go know. Una where they Nigeria, this is a lie, they lie. See where they sleep. Now that outside they sleep. Oh, that outside. Understand?
But the serial
Why you see? Now see where they sleep out for outside. They suffer for Europe well. They deceive themselves. Because that name they have there. Oh, they Europe. Now lie, in they suffer. And I don't feel like for you. If I laugh for you, God go verse for me. People in Europe, many they suffer. Then they deceive themselves.
suffer
Oh
many for
well,
Europe.
suffer. People they suffer well for Europe. Oh, not mad them. Don't forget the fake love. Forget the fake thing wey they see for social media. See, you see person for Europe, you go post picture. The picture go the red. You go find for picture. See am for real life. You not go even know. The picture go different for person we see for real life.
Oh boys, you get one period easy boy for Europe. That period, I lose work that time. Guy, 3 days, straight 3 days now. Gary, I drink 3 days. Mami, go your device. 3 days. Mami,
Anywhere,
gele.
people say. Ya guwa gwan ni guwa gwan pa nsun re bo sa lo guwa
Easy
ijesu
boy, Muja,
àwọn
Egwe
ọlọ́pàá
Lao.
méjì lọ sí wa mọ̀ tèmi.
Easy boy.
Plus I dey come. Fair wait abeg. Plus ere ni kama me pa nsun re we bo when it time.
Yeah, me too.
God dey show you person sign for Europe. If you dey Europe, God dey show you sign. But you no go know as a one in our door. If you pay the person wey you door, if God dey show you sign for Europe, you no go know. You go think say na normal thing say you
My
go
God,
dey
yeah,
go dey.
go.
Now, if you dey Europe, things no dey work for you. God no move. God know wetin he dey do. God know say if you make something, who dey make sense, may I drop am? Wetin be the name? Abeg be the who dey make
It's cool
sense?
now. It's cool. Move to your side now. You cannot say no. It's
No,
your side.
brother, I dey play music. I dey do anything. I dey hear wetin you dey talk. I don't find my bedroom.
And you know
Yeah.
go move to your side.
I not tell you no meet. I dey listen to wetin this guy dey talk before.
So, so God will dey give you the sign for Europe. You no go know. You no go quick know if you no be wise man. God, if na Europe your destiny dey, God no go let you deport yourself. Oh. If you go deportation council, you want deport yourself, they will give you document. Now, if you there, your destiny dey.
Yeah.
God will make things hard you, so that means for come out for there. But you, based on that person, mumu, you go say you go dey okay one day, go dey, but something go dey okay. As I see that thing don dey affect you, document no gree come, work no gree come, wife no gree come, nothing. But what you gonna do for the country? This life, nothing dey. Now we dey worry ourselves. The day wey you go die, nothing go follow you come up for this life. If you like dey Europe, dey Nigeria, if you die na 6 feet, you see enter. So why you dey worry yourself? Why you dey suffer yourself?
I'm tired now, my brother. You don't talk everything. Europe,
No,
me.
try. If you say things not work for you for Europe, say you dey suffer there. But suffer go mean they say they go out. They not pursue you for us. Maybe now that is where you dey find for Europe, where you dey suffer yourself. If you come Nigeria now, before 2 years, you'll get am.
Yeah.
Then they think say people wey dey Nigeria dey suffer.
I be
They not.
open.
Eh?
When they come out, bro. It was
I
well.
agree.
Let me know, bro. I'm not going around in my dinner. Just like more they calm down for things. You know what to make me talk this thing? I don't go use this life over this so at times. You see this European country. Yeah? Believe me, brother. That they build life here. Some people know they get patient. You don't understand so. What I mean? You go see at times. Ain't just where you don't live for us, where you don't run live. You see come carry and put for head for you. You know understand so? You want to show yourself. You tell me say as you take the enter this Europe, if God if Oibo wan ever welcome you, they'll keep you for camp. They'll keep you for that camp where they keep you. If you be learning person, stay where they keep you there. On that build your life. But some they hurry, they want to let people know see me they come up for us, they don't come here. You know understand so? You at times believe me, the mentality of where you did before and the mentality of where you come enter, it not fit be one. You know understand so? Why you know I not go change your own mentality you get for Africa before me you take the mentality where you want to see now. You know understand so? So a patient or patient. I be another day you have a buy now. And then they must say, I be man it's a bono you have one diamond out of time. You understand me? What they who pass through any sooner, you normally clear to bow who back bay, you know the way you see things. You know what I tell you this one, bro? You got me, I went to my bow or bow blossom. Opportunity ne boare or to got me say on your phone. Understand me? When my again, manada like we bow, and you're not having my way. A shorty, why we shorty? No, other Catholic garage. Why we shorty, managili do any ata. Any ata ni bro, Mama Laja, Mama was shorty. A company or be the that moment need then and 1 years ago. If the company man leave it to today. Ina mudbina I will not get out of the you want to body one. Ina come with video to now do school. A wedding work in new way will work. You got this school where we have but then a Canadian way you get then it is shock. Yeah, I get the way we want to know. Even we are more than where you talk, when we are cool, a plan life when you do your own as a 18 money bunya man, a must be to error. A so much while I want to what the good or do the best spread. And maybe this, and maybe that. A ganuya and Kiruna bar, and we will pass and we will less. Who or the same one I want with another show you where we yes. It is all other thing matter, the big Yakinia donor. Wake back, or my dear buried the other dinner, or money mail, and then I have black bear. One Sunday, every man waiting my dog while green passport. We're not a baby moon. I mean, I have a account for a while, not a bit more demon. Who are giving the team I saw your belly, me our able. In America, I need a big ave level needed. I will not in another go away, many are there again. They are the chance anyway, many are the a chance in it. Bro. No, you they talk the truth. A webona made in Agnia. Understanding a spirit in I, or maybe no salobaya bless it, every no salobaya, even where I what I may I. Understanding. Ugmaso, a maso waro, when you are zigby, a busy be. While living in Kanye, Panagon Abana, Made de Guana, the Awara, Arawezo, Awarona, I will not back. Wagima come down, Manivia do, mostly. What a man. Ha.
Oh, what's the no time about women? Oh, I understand. So the thing be saying, advice ni me ni wie do so. Irisi. No aya me webo e ko gbepo no adiowa. Amaku ebo wa. E webo ye evun I be suffer ba na ke mi wo. Eta wa re go yo to. Wa be do bo me make ni go be wo be de no awo ni go da wa jinu go wu. Rock ba ra no mu le gberi owa. So I'm a mentality ni. Even meje me dread do one where this one a chairman, this one this thing. Bros, even you respect o kan kere na me go, you have respect no one no we me go. Because you go well me to are me go the body me gbe go where wa view me. You might understand. What me where now dey me ba ko gbe ya ko ri me. Me understand why we do bobo wa.
Easy boy, wetin me I get to talk for all this issue, you know, Europe,
Me quit
Europe,
first.
not before. You dey hear?
I
Okay.
say my Queenland, yeah, Queenland come. Then una do bo be machine came ya bo was America. O wa wo bo mo nya wa. E ti ado bi o wa we ni. Una ya adi moto no kwa no polofu. Neni moto. Mo nya moto wo there so ido arizine we me na wa fi moto no kwa me de me moto. Bro say chairman we him le we chairman we him le me. One sa me no fi keke here. E chairman him keke ni fi. When we fi e bench here, e chairman we him e bench no fi so Imagine ne osia ne maso na dread dom aye. Bros me no me one room ni ekolo wie ye chema make me one room ni wie. When no me three stories in we wie chema we him we. You might to understand do we three stories me do awe I me ni chai e baba wa ne. Bros e baba me him e side me because we are we 6 feet na amu here we ja we mu here meji. Ata we o me 4 flat then I am 30 feet I'm your 6 feet amoji no be poor we 6 feet abe moji so why people gbe ba ni na gbon wa ri heavy gbe ba wo isere na wi obo ne gbe David no de na gbon na mi ya na me ma gbon na to pa le lo ma pa no me moto awu na me moto awu orate awe nene awe no rewebu o sere no ya wu nde we boy you weri ti eri wu awa so live ya gbon na reva urewe bo osere nu wa ya ti won ni to yewu ure Nigeria osere nu wa ya ti to yewu ne ma iwore gbon ma ba aragban ara ose do gbe yin ayaje nu ya asu se me we wa aje wa we ko do relax because emi ya nu ya so far achieve ne we bo de no awuro pa lele we pa ne Nigeria we achieve ma achieve de no awuro pa lele we pa it might why understand him ni tao so if you talk now sister
I agree the house so na good morning. It's not really easy for Europe, is it boy? See, this Europe, that see, you know what coming here? If you come with visa, it's okay. If you still give you visa, school visa, 6 hours, you reach Europe, it's okay. But that water, man, not risk. You know what's coming here to come and die? If you come here, so fast start again. So fast. And this Europe, they know they help people. People, if you get brother for Europe, if you go stay your blood brother house for here 1 month, you go pay house rent. The one way carry you put for house, when not let you pay house rent for 1 year. He really love you, oh. He really loves you. You pay.
Wait. I want this is what you talking. I like you get one man we put before
You
us
go
for
pay.
5 months. And that man go bless that my must for.
I said to that your sister now really God sent sister when you come for Nigeria.
Grace, I want you something, sister. Grace, this life now, you know Buhari, Abi? You know Buhari.
You don't die now.
Fair wait. I want to ask you a question. You know Buhari, Abi?
Wouldn't.
When you know go know am again. Okay, Buhari now. When you there alive, escort the follow Abi. You get private jet, Abi. You get many things where they carry the
I
water.
don't know what you get, so you don't pack all of them go grave.
Okay, now as he the day where he go, how many escort they carry followers? They want bury am?
Nobody now.
Nobody. Then why we call the worry ourselves?
Oh yeah, they know the worst part is that black your fellow Benin man, your fellow Nigerian man go see you for road, they go pass you. They go see say you dey stress. They go put stress join your stress. That's just it. You understand?
Okay,
I will say
what can you now? Okay. Talk. I hear you. Buhari now. Buhari now.
many people they suffer for year. If easy boy they cry, say people they suffer. People they suffer. When I live and make cry, say people they suffer. If you don't say you know they suffer, you let her.
Sister, wait. They're not telling us me not to come.
If you don't say you know they suffer, you come up body for inside. Now if you they really suffer, that means they pain you.
Martha, listen. They're not telling easy boy say me not talk the word. See, sister, ma put you through. What will they try to get here? I love the energy where the guy they carry they come. You know why? Because if you don't do it, you say, like what did this guy they talk? But the truth oh, for you to decrease or yeah. You can see some of our brother now. They not go like one stay one place. You go smoke it, go take codeine, come take tramadol, take this one, take the other one, take the other one. They take the worry body. As they take all those things, you go say now it may be a body get away, but go say now which they worry you. You don't go know say now those things when they packet your body every minute. That be problem. You hear what I tell you so. At times, with this place, we know say if we be not come up for us, it just be like person, I from here go Kano. If I even see boss will come for Benin, it will be like say I see my brother. Talk less, I can see you might be where they speak that dialect. You don't understand so. Some of them I know we not really get love for each other here. That one are truth. You don't understand so. You get some kind Benin brothers or Benin sister or Nigeria person where you go jam now. You read jammer. For the time we supposed to rescue you for where that sickness or day your head. You not go green boom you. You know understand so. What is it boy they talk? The stress here, the depression for here.
Okay.
Not be here. Most people they use their hand, they take the drum. Now that
Okay,
one
now.
be that.
Now, wetin I dey talk now, you see our Benin people now, some will not be all. Okay, wetin make me fight myself people now?
First, now, good morning.
When I listen, wetin make me fight myself people? You know, say the person dey Marseille now. Now they hear me.
Mm.
When they lis ten o, person dey Marseille now, he die today now. All of them will say on Friday they want burial. Say they want wear they want do candle light. I don't know what they call am. All they come wear black and black. They want bury all those things. That person will die, so he tell them say he want die. She not tell them. You know they say he want die. You know they say he want buy, but they will go down for Abi.
Yeah.
Okay. They will say na love. That they show Nigeria love. Okay, now I say now they show Nigeria love. Me can relocate, come Nigeria. Now that city I see there. Understand? No of una see say this guy will relocate go as now. We see the say I go see the post account for social media saying need support me take position in store where do this one. No, they do that support. Then they do like say they not see. They want come talk now. They go say now me send a message. He tell me before you come out. Yes, I don't tell you before I come on, but I wish me back since why I tell the Nigeria for una for don't see God bury my enemy. See that candle light. You see human being. You see their life. Okay, now you know they hear me. Hello.
Yeah, we dey hear you. We dey hear you.
Okay. Now, why we dey like celebrate people when you don't die more than people wey dey alive? Okay, I dey post my account here. I will say show me love. I say support me. I don't say you people wey dey Europe. I don't say people wey dey Nigeria. I don't say people wey dey Canada. Support me anywhere where you dey. Support me to anything. I want to do my business. Plus, you know me say I'm a beggar. Every day I dey come up for they go my store, go they work. You understand? But if I say support me, so any trade way full Europe will not go school. Baba, they will say that people with Europe are the beg money. Now, how you continue to know people with Europe are the beg money? Support me, say that people with Europe are the ask money because I come for Europe. Okay, if I not can go Europe now, I can't post my account say support me. Baba, who you want to talk now? Say you don't go talk Europe. So go say that pride they worry you, bros. Don't be pride. Okay, support. If I want to talk to people with Europe, I say people with Europe are gonna help me. Oh, people with Europe are the suffer, gonna help me. Oh, then you if you get the right to talk now, say that people with Europe are the ask money. Nah, not make sure people with Europe support me to anything where you get. I go appreciate because you now because I know they sick, you know if you support me. But if I do hospital bed just now. They say they want to tear my enemy leg. They want swan. They want to do this one. Say that 4 million naira, but you support that time. But now I want to buy something for my store. You know if you support, which kind of life would they live? But my enemy go now. You say this guy be ask money for life. The other time you pay me say I not could do for them. But they want you bury the guy enemy. So I buy the coffee. That one I love. Okay, they don't see money to carry and put for mortuary. But not what I go pay the bill. Maybe they put for mortuary. That one I love. The money wey they do all this things, so when the person dey alive, why you not give her that money? You buy if you give her that money, wetin they pay that person for mind for do am? You buy that person for never die. We human being we too wicked.
Hello, bros. Now, good morning.
We human being we too wicked. We know they show ourselves love. Bros, many people dey when I don't got a snap picture for years ago. Bros, they not post that picture. The day when your enemy go die, and I think they will post that picture. Bros, believe me. Many people there now, and the good thing what you do, they want to talk more. The day when your enemy go die, Baba, that will start to talk and say, I got nothing my way. That the way I do party, now so you come here. That the way I do marriage, see what you can do for me. But she dey alive and they don't go talk. That will not be love, not fake love. I know what you they talk.
I fit talk.
Show me love when I dey alive, not before I don't go. Because if I don't go, I know if you can't tell you thank you again. But if I dey alive now, if I tell you thank you. Talk, I dey hear you.
Okay. The thing be saying Europe not really easy at all. Understand? Europe the strong survived, but in the other hand, you not still need to blame people whether Europe or blame Africa where they say support me and they not support. You know, saying Europe mentality, there's difference between the deport person and person deport himself. You understand? Because
you make one statement just now. Wait, before you make one statement and say the strong survive for Europe. Does not be the strong they survive for Europe. Now just grace. Okay,
No,
you
the
know they know they
strong.
work hard for you.
No, see,
Listen,
may I tell
you are
you?
there for the error
When I
for the
say,
Europe. Listen, because I
wait
believe,
now,
as they see me now, if they look me like say I know the hustle, everybody they must say, wait, they have they no say easy boy, no they sleep. If they say I not feel hustle, now they go they laugh people say, oh no man, easy boy no work hard, easy boy could be your wife self in doing a hustle. But you don't
no,
know me, but
see,
my picture they judge me.
when I say the strong, I don't mean by also. Also not only for the strong. There are some brave in heart will be say though they pass through something, they'll get a belief, say, no, this is where they pass through, so I'm a survivor. You understand? I be the strong, not be by not just me say by hustle. You they
Okay, I
get.
don't understand. Okay, I understand
uh
you.
Yes. So when I say the strong, it means this person now, the people they be say that they pass through pain, they pass through distress, but they'll still get that courage to take move on, say, no, this thing are just temporary.
Because
It will
they don't
definitely
reach 50
finish.
years for you. They don't marry, oh, no wife. They don't marry. They don't hold.
Okay, bros,
See,
no, no, vessel. Bros, you
wait,
talk
let
what
me
you
tell
talk
you.
finish now. You talk what you want to finish. See what in this person comment now. Listen, oh God, nobody send you go Nigeria. You see what you comment now, be. But I want to ask you something now. The same person will comment this now. I wish my enemy ban and I know what thing go talk. Oh, he pay me say this boy die for no go. He go still talk. You see, you might be now their character be that. Believe me, bros. Talk what they talk.
Yeah, so which I try talking, say there's difference between the deport person and person deport himself. You understand? Because before person go deport himself now, for me, you already know, say, okay, at least this Europe don't tire me. Not in 6 months time or not in 7 months time. I want to try my own deport myself, but this deportation where I want put myself, so I gotta get targets. You understand? Because now people will be see me, they don't make that's the devil do some kind shit, they don't make some kind money, but they don't see documents. They say, may I deport myself, may I go there enjoy my money, may I go set up business, may I go do 1 or 2 for house. You understand? And then make can you say and I say people go say, now deport itself. That means everything don't go for an American deport itself. But if maybe they deport the person, they say, no, this person now be not plan for this deportation, I just coincidentally now this thing happen, we need to support her. In the other hand, Europe not easy for anybody. You understand? Even me we over there. So me I will meet you now, but me you will tell me as I fit come. Because I don't tire.
When you see her now, people don't they come they talk. People don't they talk. So people who don't tire for Europe, they're plenty, eh? They don't know how they want to go out. I get one woman when they cry for you every day for PlayStation. Yes, she say she walk on us. Sweet to God, this woman they cry. You know, girls, man, you know, get pikin, no work, nothing. Eh? Your day here, don't she don't pass monopause. Your day here. Eh?
For almost 8 months now, is it my kwa? My yo.
Now, if anybody wants to Europe,
So,
come here.
waiting be the matter be saying, I no go feel like understand me. Ewebo be saying, Ewebo, us your magi yeke. Forget the 2,000 euro wey you dey get for work, abi 115. That money wey you dey get for that work now, you know say na there see dey follow. You know, carry 50 euro go market now, make see wetin wan come out for inside. You no go even sell for cellophane. You understand? Then you go dey calculate the money come Nigeria here. Not be there for dey use the money. But if you carry am come Nigeria, yes, e big. But not be there. You fit use 100 euro to take buy something for Europe. If you even spend 100,000, sorry, 100 euro or 200 euro for Europe a day. But before you spend that 200 euro finish for Nigeria, e go hard for a day. Understand? So Europe not really easy. More we dey try to support who dey alive. My people abeg. Anything wey dey, if person need the help, help am wey dey alive. Don't be that person don go, you go dey show am love. That one na bad thing. God can never forgive you for that kind of thing wey you dey do. And God go dey punish you. Don't be lie o. Person dey alive, you not show am love. That person come die, come dey show am love. God no go forgive you. Understand? Your sin, e worse pass who kill person. Because when that person dey alive, they beg, they need support, you not help am. But once he just die, you quit help am. That person go dey do birthday, you no go wish happy birthday, you no go post am. But once that person die, you go post am. You say rest in peace. God can never forgive you because you be bad person. Yes.
Bro, so not vessel. Say one thing where I just want to choke you. You see that Marcel, that place where you dey talk so. Our brothers where they there. Now in Jews that they do. You dey hear what I
They
say? He just
suffer.
inside that they suffer. Man tell you, oh they suffer. I don't tell you say they not they suffer. You know what I dey miss o? Those people, they even come up for us. You know say e get the way you take the way person go take the put that a lion face. Who wan even rescue and go the fear on you? You dey hear what I tell you so? That they suffer. I not tell you say they not they suffer. You see that place, that Marcel, where you hear the talk so. Now he just most of our brother that they do for them.
They suffer.
Nah,
And
good
why they
morning.
do all those countries?
Good morning, my brothers. I greet you now.
But I feel you throw one talk, more than not vessel. I want to throw this talk for our young people. I beg, if you come to Europe, you survive water. I beg, when you are in the camp, stay in the camp. I beg you, very important because this Europe is only Oyibo that can help you in this Europe. Any black man, any black boy tell you say because at the first everybody have that opportunity. You understand? Some of us we miss the line, we come up for the camp. I wish we are not supposed to come up for that camp. And that camp is everything to you, to stand your life, to make you know things before you come out. But many people come out. So you stay in the camp and then go to school. And then patient. Don't let any woman deceive you or any man deceive you to leave the camp. Come, oh, everything they okay. Oh, if you come, oh, you go do you well. You are lost for road. You're lost. It's only Oyibo that have this country that can show you the road. All our great brothers in this country, our great sisters in this country, now Oyibo show the road. The Oyibo, they're not good, but they'll still give you work. You understand? So stay in the camp, okay? Patient, go school, leave money, then later you get money. You understand? Patient, stay in the camp. For those people that want to stay in the camp, because some people they don't come up for camp.
Now, well done. I get just a little advice for, no, not advice, just to contribute for within the year since. One is Europe of 18 with the call and challenges. You may come on for us. You know the reason why you come on for us. First of all, my sister, thank you. God will bless you. You just may come because you see Mr. A, they do well. You know what may your own done. You can't run out. Now, Jamie, now, before you know, they don't see you for Jamie. You say, I will be campiwa. Now, pastor, I can't eat here. See, people may don't eat pasta. They are making it. Because the day you come out for them, now that day you start to the zozo, they go. You not get direction again. Life don't frustrate. I believe a lot of people today, they regret their reaction. Say, I wish I know. I will not take this step. You don't fail. Now only God will feed every such person. Not be say Europe no good. We know say people make they suffer, but inside the enjoyment there. If you see say not work for you, know say man, really this place not be your own. Go house. You dey Europe for 5 years, you not get 50 by 100. Go house, not be forced, not be Curtis. Go house. But if you know say it dey okay for you and see you see get their connection, maybe you say me yes, anyhow, I must make and believe on your faith. Like you easy boy now, share you dey house now. You go relax, jeje. Now wait till your mind carry. If other person see they say one go out, but I not pressure somebody say me go house. One not me first saying you come. Now you know what pursue you. Come ask. You know say a lot of people, I wish that they ask depression. They are made for those kids and shop. More they talk truth. But I dare do company, come decide. If you know say you don't tire, they always they see those videos. That will not be the best way. Person may come out for year now. At the end of it, he can't reach us. You don't know the bad made of do. Tomorrow they come here say they go shoot them. I be not be where you from come. And I see the same dirty character for that myself. Not because I don't know myself. I live for Toulouse. Okay? Now that myself me they talk now every day fighting. Even the time me they go burn one house for myself. Ordinary show of fear not let us they go for myself. Because of waiting their practice for us, he carry and reach here. So who say enough fit make them for there? May just go leave your bag, may go they do shogo. Now wait till I get for there. If you know say your place no go contain you. You know if they advise somebody say come house. Some do one out of my guy. So do one because of we. May they smoke. My guys did that side. but you forget your future because you don't do Iboma land. Now, a lot of them now they cry. They realize their mistake. They look for people, daughter to frustrate, use them, turn to single mothers. Some don't they use them for single mothers for long. All their home say people will come, give them belly here and there. So to our sisters now, they come to shame. Say, I wish I know. We be the problem of ourselves. We are the problem of ourselves. Once Nigeria man don't reach one place, mostly we are for comfort. You still buga. Send nigga will stay calm for how many years before you know you don't drive car? What about us? Over I said to you, if they see we they want say, they see powder, they want say, oh God, you don't want to come down. Tomorrow they shall say people suffer. God, nobody they suffer for Europe. If you know your left and right, if they suffer now, you want suffer. Since you know they stay with somebody, even though na one room you rent, or you physically get my buy as credit, you be odogun. The small one may you make for Europe. Now you want to build your 100 by 100 or 50 by 100 if you get them. You may come off for us. There was a reason why you come off for us. It better for us. Now all of us enter river. They come here. Situation they grand. Mostly from Edo State. I'm not talking from other states. Which I know. If you from Edo, young man like me. Now one or two now I show you. Rather your people raise money, give you me to enter. You reach here, what you gonna do? They say, "Game, Igbana on Naija they will say, imagine now the life made they say you can't do. They say you will change. They say if they carry goods, go Lagos. They'll say me they see whether it will change. If you reach there, now say goat you will be. So that will not be anybody problem. Some of also Christian. So bro, now wait till I just get to talk be down. If you don't tire, if you go out.
Thank
But
you.
say people made the Europe they suffer. No, nobody they suffer. If you want suffer now, you want to make yourself suffer.
Thank you, my
Small
brother.
children may come here, they never reach 5 years. Small
Thank
children may reach here, they never reach 5 years. Then they do well because they go school. The impatient, they worry some of us. See all my guys, they get car with the happy, they enjoy them. If you're not better for, you not me say not better for B.
my brother, thank you very much for your contribution.
Oh, let's back it. Thank you, man.
Thank you very much. Easy boy,
you.
good morning. The reason why it make me come up was that it was saying that when people die, people like to contribute, which is very wrong. Me, I'm 100% against that. If you want to help somebody, when the person is alive, you will help the person. I'm going to make 2 points. Because like me now, I have a father. My dad is 88 years. So, and he has been sick for more than 4 months. And I'm the one responding for my father. I'm trying all my possible best to make sure that that 88 years man stay alive for me. Because I'm here in the UK. My dad will be the one to call me in the morning. We'll be here. We'll be here. So because of that, I don't want that place to quench. I don't want that light to off. Because that call that my dad always called me and check on me, it means a lot to me because I can't have money in the bank and my dad is sick. Then I will say that I'm saving that money. If you warrant me to sell everything that I have for my dad to stay alive, I will do it. Like every day now, I used to go to a checkup because he's having a problem of urine. Every two days, I spend something less than 75,000 naira every two days for the checkup from home. So that is number one. If somebody is alive, if you have anything, you should help. It's not when that person will now, when I do anything for anybody, tell me thank you. It go a long way for me and see you smiling. That is the kind of person I am. You understand? That is number one. Number two, that on our sister also contribute that if you come new, you want to leave the camp. You want to go and do what other people are doing, which is very wrong. Me, I came to abroad 99. I came through Suta, Spain. Don't know if anybody is here that came that time. Through Suta, I didn't pass through river. We passed through Tone. That was early 99. When all of us was the camp,
A lot of people were going, the sister will just come from up, pick them without paper. Some also want to go, just go to Spain without paper. But my uncle that brought me said that, Obiaba, Umudani Ariye Benwell, because Mary Germany now, Meme Be, so a bear webo. And which my grandfather used to say that, Omano Wemira me no kwagake before he late. People they come from Italy, come they meet the man by MAB. So me, I have idea of documents. I have to stay in camp, but then it's not long time where you stay like 3 months. They have already give you your 1 year working permit and 1 year residence. Then before you will now come uptown, they will now post you to Spain, because that's what I just say. For you to stay there, they will give you documents. Is very close to Morocco anyway. So before they now give us the document that time, that was 99, before they post us to come to Spain, before you will now go wherever you want to go and live in Italy, Germany, because our document can go anywhere, but when you want to expire, you have to come back to Spain and you have to work. If you don't work, they will not also renew the documents for you. But then in Spain is different in any other country. There are a lot of things that you can be able to do so that you can be able to renew your documents. Then, but a lot of people that doesn't stay in camp don't want to take insults, don't want to do this, they want to wear marker, then yes, they want to wear designer, they want to run away, they want to do what is higher than them. So a lot of them don't have paper today. A lot of them did not even succeed. I believe that when you come into a country, you have to stay low. I was living in Spain before I relocated to London. You understand? I'm here in London for 10 years now. When I came, I also like somebody that just came to Europe. You understand? I have to stay low. Me that was living well in Spain. But I want to give my son a good life because I have 3 boys. I also brought my children from Nigeria to Spain. One of them is living in France now. He's a big boy. He's over 35 now. He'll be 35 this month. 15. He also lives in France. He have 3 children. But when I relocate from Spain to England, I was like a Aduro person. I have to start from somewhere. But today now, when I still look, I will say, God, everything is stage by stage. It's just for you to be patient. Just have patience. You understand? Not that you just came today. The most ugly part of it is that thing that they were doing in Nigeria. I don't say it's only the boys, so I think some girls still do it. Be changing color and all those things. You will not come to here to be fighting, which is very wrong for some of our boys. Especially France, they always do it in France. Even some always do it in Italy. I think Spain do it, but it's not like France and Italy. Those things is not called for. That is all I will do. But as for Easy Boy, I've not seen you before. I'm just seeing you for the first time. Me, I'm not a billionaire, I'm not Dangote, but I love to help. Whatever I have, I give to you. You will also manage it. You understand? That is me. So I will save your account number.
Ma, God go bless you, ma. Thank you.
You're welcome. So that is all I can say for now. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Mama. God bless you.
Mama, God bless you, Mama.
Amen.
My Easy Boy, you see everything we talk since now. Most people, that reference to African since, now people see they hit that point. You know understand? So at times, you come this place where they keep you mountain whole and strong. Some of them, if you don't start to they travel around of this Europe, I want to go here, I want to do fine, but I want to wear marker. Now problem, I want to create later. You know understand? So this work where they work today, 10 good years now that they work inside this place where they. I no hurry. They tell me say go school. I face the school. As that time, some of my guys, person with me know for Nigeria, they ask me say come, So you just come this Europe, come draw yourself back. They go school. So school now you dey face as that time. But today, without ordinance we take come off for camp, up to today, you no get document, you dey bench or not. So you come, they want to travel. And you go tired.
And this commodity for camp, now many people they deceive them to come out for camp. They not they willingly they come out. They go say, come, leave camp. What did they do for Italy? Leave camp. Jamie, good, come. Many people that are suffering today, this is what they did to them. They deceive you, your friends. Investigate your friends well before you come out for your camp. Go investigate where they stay. Some of them they camp, they will deceive you, make you come out, come. When you don't reach there, they will close even your comfort zone. There you they stay for your comfort zone. When you dey fine, you will even lock your house, go there. You will come start to cry for road. So stay your camp, only you go, the only camp and school will help you for the impatient. Not my friend buy Gucci, I want buy Gucci. Yeah, €1 cloth. Manage. Even you will get this country, they wear €1 cloth. Then they go open market. And then we €1 cloth pass.
Now if you dey camp, you know they see they wear €1 cloth. Oyibo feel looking for them, they go to favor you with their own cloth wey they wear. If you be one way, won't get patient. Cloth Oyibo wear, as that time wey we dey camp, then they pack and come. If you want, if you know what you not change, not do what my brother want do, not do the one with my sister want.
When we dey camp, sef, we dey talk about this camp. When we dey camp, bro, I believe we fed Deyooh for 1 year plus before they carry us go live years. For Olivia's, they begin to give us 270. And that one will continue to say life is sweet. They go school. But we exercise patient, a lot of people run come out. Some people just come. The ones that all those church, all those Naija church they go, sorry for me to say, that they learn bad thing. Because you all see that brother, you just gauge. You know how long it don't take fair live this kind of life. Everybody want go outside. I keep on to myself, say, God, I know try, I don't get papa, I don't get mama for a year. My parents, they house. Me might come as breadwinner. My friends will say, I'm like this and that. But see all of them today. Even the other one say, if you go France, deport yourself, small time ago, they use phone, they call me. They'll not go, come this side. When they reach, I say nothing there. You say the way they set this thing for Cook Road. I they do POP when I come off us. This is not because they sell those ties for Cook Road. Now so Beneme he live, now so he day. When he go there, he
sorry, the one way can't pay me pass, and where still they pay me, where still they pay me, where they pay me, where can't pay me pass. Where be say small boy of 20-something years, he won't sleep with person where they 50 years, where go be in mama. That's in they pay me. You understand?
Now fake rotation, man. Our leaders give them.
Yeah, will not be that one they talk. Only one now you see.
Now that one can't pay me pass. Where be say
that one now fake rotation when all those central brother they give them. Most of those brother may they get people here. Go say, "Why me lady work with me?" Imagine.
Now that one
you want to kill yourself because of armor. Semo puree, draw soup, black soup, as well. But today we know the enjoy them. We may not do all those ones.
When I bring my children come this abroad,
and see, I love it. Una they hear me? Una know where these people for they start this mentality. They start for Libya. They're gonna tell them for Libya. Say once you come Europe, the first thing you will do, get belle, they'll give you everything. The first thing you go do, follow woman when get money. All this is wrong informations. Who told you have to come Europe 1 month and pon before you get everything where you define? Who told you have to follow woman before you make it? Who told you cannot make it alone? Who told you cannot strong go and face your life alone? Who told you can make it with somebody? Not be only you dey Libya, you not die. They'll come tell you, see, they'll come put all this mentality. If you do this one, you go get paper. If you follow woman, I know 100 single guys who have paper, they have car by themselves. No woman give them.
Easy boy, my brother.
Yes, no.
Not vessel. Easy boy. You know only one thing. Bros. I will tell you, you see that part where you go for this Europe, that Marseille side, you for not go there, bros. I tell you the truth. You for not go that place. That place, most of our brother, they know they walk. Now street they sleep. Now you just condemn their life like that. I tell you the truth.
When Marcel when we say once e don reach on the 5 like this, we fit don pay them. Before you know, they will go dey buy bullet. Who dey give them gun? You dey hear boy Arabo dey sell for them say na here they will spend their money. But very stupid place. People may dey there, they look them like people, like animal. I swear to God. Some of them, but some people did there, big boy. If you see themselves, you know a man with that Marcel there. But those who made they squat for Marcel, fear them. They not get life. Anyhow they live. I don't visit those places.
They shoot gun.
Anyhow. I tell you now.
You don't feel say not joking.
They get all those things. On the 5, every on the 5. It remain 2 days now. If you go pay them, you can't see no. Now that day they start stab themselves, drink, injure themselves like junkie.
For
Me no
France,
fit get brothers saying they go that place, come up for Italy.
What they tell you? You know they fake on. You know what they tell you?
I go the fake on.
I'm tired.
I never stayed there. Marcel, the time Marcel catch fire now, Morocco with one black 9-5 because he injured Morocco. Morocco go put fire for up when that guy take for died that time. The same Marcel. When you know, say man, those people now then conquered France. What you concern them? If you really get sense, you know, do your own. Some people they do one for them, they survive. A lot of people they survive.
Because of cigar, one of our Nigeria brothers stabbed one of our Nigeria brothers to death because of cigar.
Yes.
Huh?
Imagine you say me now, me.